Welcome back to Phonova. Today, we're diving deep into the OnePlus 13, the latest flagship offering that's sparking a lot of excitement. Is this the best flagship device in 2024? Let's find out. Introduction to OnePlus 13. The OnePlus 13 is here, and with it comes a host of improvements. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, features a 6.55-inch OLED display, and brings back the Hasselblad camera system. For a price of around $1 price, it's competing directly with other flagships like the Samsung Galaxy S24 and iPhone 16. But what sets the OnePlus 13 apart? Let's break it down. Design and build quality. The design of the OnePlus 13 takes a step forward from its predecessors. The phone feels premium with its glass and aluminum frame, and the build quality is solid. It's IP69 rated, meaning it's highly resistant to dust and water, perfect for users with an active lifestyle. However, they've done away with the curved display and opted for a flat OLED panel, which some may find more practical. The weight is comfortable, and the alert slider returns, adding more functionality and ease for quickly toggling between modes. Pros: sleek design, premium materials, durable with IP69 rating, practical flat display. Cons: some users might miss the curved edges for a more immersive feel. Display and media experience. One of the standout features of the OnePlus 13 is its 6.55-inch OLED display. It offers a 144Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support, providing sharp visuals and vibrant colors. Whether you're gaming or scrolling, everything feels smooth and responsive. The brightness peaks at 1600 nits, ensuring great visibility even in bright sunlight. The dual stereo speakers offer rich, loud sound, perfect for watching videos or gaming. Pros: high refresh rate, stunning color reproduction, HDR10+ support, great speakers. Cons: some users may prefer a larger display for an even more immersive experience. Performance and hardware. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, the OnePlus 13 is lightning fast. Paired with 12 GB of RAM, it delivers flawless performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or running demanding apps. Plus, with storage starting at 256 GB, there's plenty of space for your apps, photos, and videos. Gaming is smooth, thanks to the Adreno 750 GPU, and heat management has been improved with the vapor cooling chamber. Pros: blazing fast performance, ample storage, excellent gaming capabilities, improved heat management. Cons: no option for expandable storage, which might be a drawback for some power users. Camera assist. OnePlus has again teamed up with Hasselblad for the OnePlus 13's camera system, offering a 50MP main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide, and a 64MP telephoto lens. Photos are sharp with great color accuracy, and the AI night mode ensures great performance in low light. The telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom lets you capture distant subjects in detail without losing clarity, and the ultra-wide lens is great for capturing more of the scene in one shot. Plus, with 8K video recording, content creators are going to love this device. Pros: versatile camera setup, excellent color accuracy, great low light performance, 8K video. Cons: ultra-wide lens sometimes suffers from distortion at the edges, and the telephoto zoom could be improved for long-range shots. Battery life and charging. The OnePlus 13 comes with a 6000 mAh battery, which is more than enough to get you through a full day of heavy use. Whether you're gaming or watching videos, the battery holds up well. And when it's time to charge, the 100 watts fast charging gets you from 0 to 100% in just 25 minutes. Plus, it supports 50 watts wireless charging, so you're covered on all fronts. Pros: massive battery, fast charging, wireless charging support. Cons: no reverse wireless charging, which some other flagship competitors offer. Software and user experience. OnePlus OxygenOS 14 is one of the smoothest and cleanest Android skins available. Built on Android 14, it offers tons of customization, and OnePlus keeps the bloatware to a minimum. With promised software updates for up to 4 years, and 5 years of security patches, this device stays future-proof. Pros: clean software experience, minimal bloatware, long-term software support. Cons: lacks some of the additional features seen in other Android skins, which some users may miss. Comparison and conclusion. So, where does the OnePlus 13 stand in 2024? At a price point of it competes directly with the iPhone 16 and Samsung Galaxy S24. Its combination of a beautiful display, fast performance, and versatile camera system makes it a serious contender. If you want a flagship device with top-tier performance and an excellent user experience without breaking the bank, the OnePlus 13 might be the perfect choice for you. Pros: great design, powerful performance, solid camera system, long battery life. Cons: no expandable storage, ultra-wide lens distortion, lacks some advanced camera features. Closing. That wraps up our review of the OnePlus 13. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Phonova, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming smartphone reviews.